morning. It is a new vlog for my vlog series. I think this is vlog number 4. I'm super excited. So me and my mom are actually having like a girls' day today. So I went to the gym this morning. It was really early, but we are going shopping now. My mom got bagels this morning. It was so much fun. Like, we had a nice sit down breakfast and everything, and I got dressed. I'll show you guys my outfit when I get home, but I'm just so excited to go shopping. It's just so much fun, and it's gonna be such a fun girls' day, and I'm excited to bring you guys along with me. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Home now. I had such a great morning with my mom. It is around 12 p.m. right now. It's a solid fun morning. We usually do that like once or twice a month, and I just love it. It's such like a fun girls' day because I'm the only girl in my family because I have 2 older brothers. So it's just like fun to have like a whole morning with just like girly stuff, you know, like shopping, breakfast, everything. So I want to show you guys my outfit real fast because it's super cute. I have worn this ruffly shirt before. I just think it's adorable. I'm just wearing this super cute top from Shein. It was seriously so inexpensive, and it has the cutest ruffle on the chest area. I just think it's so cute, and I definitely think ruffles are making a huge comeback. And then I just have on these really fun pleated navy shorts from Lauren James. They have the cutest little detail on them. They have bows. They honestly just remind me of like European shorts, or like something I should be wearing in France, you know. Of course, I paired it with my sandals that I bought in France. I just think these are so fun and just add that extra little sparkle that this outfit needs. And then for arm candy, I just kept it simple with my Kate Spade watch on this hand, and for this hand I just have on this dainty little bracelet from Lameno. It's so cute. I wear it all the time now. So that is just what I'm wearing. I think it's such a fun outfit. I definitely want to get like a blog post up on it, or like an Instagram picture for sure, so stay tuned for that. Follow my Instagram. It's just at Kellyprepster. My blog's at kellyprepster.blogspot. But even though I went shopping with my mom earlier, which was so much fun, I didn't really buy anything. I just didn't really see anything I needed or wanted, but I did get a few packages in the mail this week, so I thought I'd do like a little unboxing right now. So I'm gonna get those out and get you guys on a tripod. I'm so excited. Okay guys, I think this will work. I'm jamming out to 5 Seconds of Summer. It's so good. Their new album, love it. I went tanning yesterday, like outside, and I like kept listening to it on repeat. It's just so good. But I put you on the other side of my desk. I wanted to switch up the angles because I feel like the last few vlogs I have been filming my little haul sesh in the same spot, so I thought I'd switch it up. But I need to get the haul packages, and then we're gonna open it up. Okay. Start off with this pink one because pink is my favorite color, and the packaging of this is just adorable. I did kind of pre-open this a little bit because I'm so excited about it, but I'm gonna open it with you guys, don't worry. So when you open it up, it has like this pink tissue, and it has a little card, and it says Kellyprepster. This is so stinking cute, and I love it. And it says Girl Squad. This is so fun. I'm definitely going to be hanging this up on my wall. If you guys know me, I feel like I mentioned this before. I keep all of these little cards. They're just so cute. It says, "Hello darling, thanks for being a part of our squad. We hope you love this new tee from our recently launched tees. XO Grace Layne." And I do have a discount code, so I'll put it on the screen if you guys want to check it out. I'm super excited about this. They're so cute. If you guys don't remember the company Grace Layne, what I'm talking about, they sent me this super cute shirt. I'll insert a picture of me wearing it. So cute. They just launched their company this summer. They're just adorable. They're so sweet. You guys definitely need to check them out. I'll have it listed down below. But they just sent me one of their shirts from their new release, and it's this really pretty pink color, and it says, "Hello darling," and it's kind of like one of those like fake t-shirt. You guys remember that like Monday shirt that I have that's yellow? Very similar sleeves. It has like the fake rolled up sleeves that are sewn like that. I just think this is so cute, and the material is so soft. I'm so excited to style this. I feel like this will look so cute with like some chino shorts or leggings during those transitional seasons, or just like a pair of jeans would look super cute. Thank you so much for sending this to me. I'm so excited to style it and be sharing it on my social media. And then onto my Shein package. Their packaging is so fun. It has like the little dresses and clothing pieces on it. I just got 3 things. And I didn't realize until I was talking with my friend Haley about like things we've ordered from Shein. The recent things I picked out were all blue and white stripes. This is so crazy. I don't think this has ever happened to me before, but I'm kind of obsessed with the blue and white trend for the summer. I just feel like it's super summertime and just so fun and so classic and just like clean and fresh. I love it. So the first thing I got is this really cute top, and I'm so excited to wear this. I might wear this later. So it's blue and white stripes, and they're kind of like thicker stripes, and spacing in between it has this really fun ruffle detail on the bottom, and it's just so cute. It goes all the way around. And I love the neckline, like, so it's just like that, but the back of it has this big bow on it. How stinking adorable is that? I'm so excited to wear this. I know this will look so cute with any color chino shorts. It's so fun for summer. I just love it. It's so fun and so cute and just perfect for those hot summer days. The next one I got is a more like pinstriped tank top, I think. Yeah, so this one is like this type of stripes, but again, blue and white stripes. It's a little bit more cropped than I thought it was going to be, so it's a little shorter, but I think with like high-waisted pants you will be fine. And you actually tie these into like a big bow, so there's like bows on your shoulders, which I think will be so flattering, but it is like pre-sewn, so untie the bows, it won't fall off of you, which I'm super happy about. I was kind of nervous when I ordered if that was gonna be like an issue or something, but no. So just tie these into big bows and it'll be so cute. I think this will look really cute with like a messy bun, just kind of pull your hair out of your face. And my hair is like a hot mess today. It is currently like 85 degrees. It's supposed to get up to 95 degrees later, which is really hot, but I'm okay. I like warm weather, but my hair cannot handle it that well, so I was like gonna flat iron it this morning, and then I was like, just not worth it. So we got the natural. I did blow dry it, but that was just because it was kind of wet. The last thing I picked out was this really fun striped shift dress, I guess. So it's blue and white stripes again, and more of the thicker stripes. I got this in a size medium, and it just is like a simple shift slash t-shirt dress. It does have pockets if you're interested. I'll have all of these listed down below, but I think this is perfect. It's like super lightweight. It'll look great over a swimsuit. It has the little keyhole on the back. It's just really simple, but I thought this would be really cute with like a sweater on top or like a cardigan crossed over. I just think it was super cute. But that is just like a little mini haul unboxing that I got in the mail this week, and I've been saving it for you guys for this vlog. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog series. I'm seriously having so much fun with it. I think it was like 2 vlogs ago I talked about my Lily Pulitzer $50 gift card that I was hosting by myself on Instagram. You guys might have entered. I know a lot of you guys did. I wanted to let you guys know how thankful I am for all of you guys that did enter. I think that's what helped us get to 10K, which is so crazy, and I'm so grateful. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm actually going to be mailing that out. I think it's in my purse right now, but I'm going to be mailing that out today. So we have to run to the post office. I'm going to bring you guys along with me. So I'm super excited about that. I'm so grateful. And if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, be sure to check it out, because I'm actually hosting another giveaway with Daily Dose of Prep and Missouri Prepster. You can win a $100 Lily Pulitzer gift card, which is so exciting. If you guys are Lily fans like I am, it's perfect time to enter because the Lily after party sale is coming out. They just released their new agendas, and Summer and Lily, of course, you know, like hashtag. Definitely go check that out if you guys haven't, but I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me for the post office. I have to get my dad his Father's Day gift still, but I know it's the day before. It's not that bad. I like planned it out. I just haven't bought it yet. So I got on this picture frame from Things Remembered at the mall, and it just says star, and I just thought it was so cute and so special. So I had this really cute one of us at the beach when I was a little kid. Like, look how cute my little outfit was. So stinky cute. But I think I'm gonna use this one of us when it was my 2nd birthday, just because it'll fit into the frame. So I'm gonna put it in there real quick. I'm not sure if that's like the best Father's Day picture to use, but you know, we're both in it. So we're just gonna go with it because all the pictures were like up and down like this. So I think that one's really cute. We can always swap it out in the future when we take other cute pictures. I'll have to remember to take them long ways. Get them balloons. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to get balloons. I'm gonna get them balloons. I think I'm gonna make them a card. I feel like that'd be really fun. Unless I find like a cute funny one. I do know they have Doug the Pug cards at Target, which I'm like, should I get him a Doug the Pug card? But I think I'm gonna make him one. He likes handmade cards. But I really have been planning this out. I just haven't done it yet, you know. That is the game plan as of right now, so I'll keep you guys updated. I'm wearing my new Pixie highlight. If you guys watched my first PR box unboxing, I absolutely love it. It looks so good. Later tonight, I'll probably redo my makeup before I go out, so I'll show you guys me putting it on, but I just love it. It looks so good. So check it out if you haven't already. And we're just gonna go run some errands now, and I'll bring you guys along with me. Bye. The car, I'm just gonna be jamming out to my summer 2018 playlist on Spotify if you want to check it out. It's just that Kelly Two Wise Tomlinson. I think you guys will really like it. It's super random, but it has so much new fun music in it and some oldies, and I'm obsessed with 5 Seconds of Summer's new album so far. It's so good. I've listened to it like at least 3 times since Friday, and it's Saturday. It's really good. I like it. So I'm just on my way to the post office. I'm so excited to mail this giveaway out, but I'll keep you guys updated because I do have to get some balloons after. And yeah, so I'm super excited to bring you guys along with me. pop into TJ Maxx real quick just because it was on my way and I seriously love TJ Maxx, so we're gonna go into TJ Maxx now. I'm stopping in Target because at TJ Maxx I found the cutest pink hangers, but I just thought it'd be fun to get like a garment rack. I know they have them at Target, so I'm gonna pick one up and I'm just super excited to pick it up. Guys, that was the fastest trip to Target. They did not have it. I'm gonna have to order it online, but it's okay because I got cute hangers anyways. Got the balloons. I did not forget about them. We got these like cute little star ones and then one that says like you're number one. I'm so excited that we're gonna celebrate Father's Day weekend. I'm gonna give them to him tonight. I am back home now. It's been such an adventure today. It started downpouring, raining, but I'm just gonna be ending the vlog here because I'm supposed to leave in like 10 minutes and I'm not even dressed to go out yet. So I'm just gonna be ending it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are truly amazing and keep having a great day. Stay positive and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!